CIP 2.0 sets a new standard in automation, build, and quality. Central States Industrial and Rockwell Automation collaborated as equipment builder partners to develop CIP 2.0, a software designed to support clean-in-place processes. CIP 2.0 allows authorized, in-house users to configure washes, then automatically adjust to hit predetermined set points for flow, temperature, and chemical concentration. The advanced technology intended for food, dairy, and beverage plants makes tracking and automation simple. The system features a 15-inch touchscreen and a watertight stainless steel cabinet. Using this touchscreen, plant personnel can configure, run, and monitor washes in real time. Users can also access trend charts, alarms and alarm history, and equipment manuals. The extensive library of onboard maintenance manuals and videos provide guidance during servicing. The CIP 2.0 system makes being proactive easy by forecasting service needs. The built-in predictive maintenance capability informs the user before issues occur, preventing unplanned downtime and allowing for scheduled servicing. Valve stroke counts and pump run times can be accessed from the main screen to assist in preventative maintenance. The system also addresses emergency situations with clarity and urgency. Rockwell Automation's Connected Enterprise on CIP 2.0 allows the user to compile long-term efficiency and preventative control data from multiple facilities. Any emergency or issue is addressed with alarms and recorded extensively on the automated wash reports. This software records all critical connections to help facilities comply with CFR 21 Part 11, S88, and the Food Safety Modernization Act. Every CIP 2.0 system has an array of features and options available. Skids come standard with highly efficient Alpha Laval LKH pumps and plate heat exchangers, which are more economical than shell and tube or direct steam injection alternatives. Accurate system monitoring and metering tracks flow, temperature, and chemical concentration to minimize resource consumption. 3A certified equipment is included as an option for skids required to meet 3A sanitary standards. CSI experts work closely with you to create the perfect skid for any application, facility, or process. Each skid can be tailored to fit your exact needs. For more information, call CSI and ask to speak with a clean-in-place expert.